Hey, what's up, Biowarriors? This is Jason here. I want to show you guys how to make an easy bone broth that's going to help you remineralize your body. Also, it'll add collagen, and it's really going to be beneficial and very, very tasty. So check it out. So the ingredients for today is going to be grass-fed. In this case, it's actually marrow bones. So just get some grass-fed beef, maybe some free-range chicken. Also, you can use bison, which is really, really tasty. Uriah loves this as well. We give them bone broth. They absolutely love it. Our kids love it. So the second thing we're gonna use is cinnamon. Next, we use apple cider vinegar. What this is gonna do is this is gonna help actually break down the bone broth, or actually break down the bone into the broth. So we like to use 2 tablespoons of this, right? And it's also gonna make it taste great as well. All right, so the first thing we do is we open up the bones. Literally just drop them in the water. I'm using about a half gallon here of water. Of course, you want to make sure that it's spring water, purified. We prefer the pure water systems. We're going to be having the link up soon so that you guys can buy those as well. So next, I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You can't really go wrong. I mean, you could add more if you want. Basically, once you create this on your own, you'll be able to taste it and make it, you know, to your liking. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm gonna let the acids in the vinegar, I'm gonna let that go ahead and break it down so we can make sure that we get that those vitamins, those minerals. Bones are concentrated minerals, basically. So what happens is if your body's depleted of calcium, magnesium, etc., it's gonna pull it from your bones. So what we're doing is we're taking bones, we're making a bone broth that's extracting that bone matrix of minerals and also collagen, elastins, etc., that are gonna not only feed your body but feed your joints and your skin, as well as help you lose weight. All right? Okay, so we let this sit for 20 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna bring it up to a boil. I'm gonna let it boil, and then once it starts boiling, I'm gonna reduce the heat down to a slow simmer. So what I wanna do is I wanna cook this very, very low for the next 2 hours to really, really draw everything out of the bone. All right? Okay guys, so it's been simmering for about 2 hours now. You're probably gonna get like a film on the top. And what I do is I just take a spoon like this and I'll literally just scrape it out. I'll just take it out and then I'll go put it in the sink. Lastly, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add in some cinnamon. And again, non-irradiated, GMO-free cinnamon. Okay, and then you just put in as much as you want. Try this at home, give us a thumbs up, share, like, comment. Let us know if you liked it. If you didn't, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube. And also let us know if you like these videos. We can keep making more for you guys. Again, we're gonna have links to the pure water systems as well as everything we do. Hit us up if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.